thunderstorm warning for northeastern Butler County, northwestern Warren County, northwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gratis, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Trenton, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, and Riverside. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 37 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 59. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. this evening for the following counties.